2017 Ford Escape SE. Dark gray metallic paint. Fog lights, aluminum sport alloy wheels. Good necks and tires. Tinted windows. Dual chrome tip exhaust. EcoBoost. WeatherTech floor liner. It's two-tone black and gray interior. With WeatherTech liners throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Power driver's seat adjustments. Dual automatic climate controls. Free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio. Backup camera. Answer Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Just over 93,000 miles. Come on and see us at AU Cars.